Friend, today we have to discuss the application of insulating material in the various applications or various equipments. The first one, what is the insulation? All the electrical system requires some kind of insulation to prevent a short circuit and leakage current. So the insulation means it does not carries the current and it isolates the conducting coils or conducting parts from each other. There will be three types of insulators are present, that is solid, liquid and gaseous insulating material. The insulating material must be able to withstand electrical stresses. In addition to it, it should be able to withstand certain other stresses, namely during manufacturing, storage and operation. The performance of the insulation depends on its operating temperature. The higher temperature and the higher will be the rate of its chemical deterioration. Then insulating material will be classified in various types. The first class is Y type of class and temperature limit is 90 degrees Celsius, and there will be a different materials are present, that is paper, cotton, silk, natural rubber, polyvinyl chloride, etc. Then class A type, that is temperature limit is 105 degree Celsius. As Y type, there will be same material but impregnated and plus nylon are used. Then class E material, that is 120 degree Celsius, polyethylene and tetraphthalene. It will be tetraphthalate. Then there will be a different types of materials are used in E type. Then class B, that is 130 degree Celsius, that is mica, fiberglass and bakelite, polyester enamels. Then class F is present, that is 155 degree Celsius. It will be same as class B, but with alkyd and epoxy based resins are used. Then class H, that is temperature will be 180 degree Celsius. It will be same as class B with silicone resin binders, silicone rubbers, aromatic polyamides, polyamide film and estermide enamels. Then class C, it will be temperature above 180 degree Celsius and the material as a class B with suitable non-organic binders are present, that is Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene. These are the different types of materials are classified according to the temperature, and there will be a different types are present. Insulating materials are grouped into different classes with a temperature limit, that is class O, that is temperature limit 90 degree Celsius, class A, that is 105 degree Celsius. That is materials are various organic materials, and then class B, that is 130 degree Celsius, class C, there will be no temperature limit. The materials involved in the B and C various inorganic materials. Here we have to discuss the insulating material used in the electrical apparatus, that is in the power transformer, in the rotating machines and circuit breaker. Then in the power transformer, there will be insulations are divided into conductor or turn to turn insulation, coil to coil insulation, then low voltage coil to earth insulation, low voltage coil to low voltage coil insulation, then high voltage coil to ground insulation. Here we have to use the insulations. One is in the conductor or turn to turn insulation. We have to use the directly organic enamel or on conductor for smaller rating. Use paper or glass type of wrapped on the rectangular conductors for the insulation purpose. In case of coil to coil insulation, the kraft paper is used in the smaller transformer. Press board and glass fabric or porcelains are used in the case of higher rating of transformer for the insulation purpose. Then low voltage coil to earth insulation, it is normally consists of solid tubes combined with the liquid and gas filled space. The liquid or gas in the space helps to remove the heat from the core and core structure and also help to improve the insulation strength. Then low voltage coil to the low voltage coil insulation, generally of the insulation system used in the oil filled transformer consists of oil and impregnated press board. Then high voltage coil to the ground insulation, the winding insulation is normally made up of paper, and then cellulose board is also used as a internal insulation in liquid filled transformer. Cellulose insulation is impregnable with the insulating fluid of transformer. The different types of insulating materials are used in the different for the different conditions, that is between the turn to turn insulation or between the high voltage coil to the low voltage coil insulation or high voltage coil to the ground insulation. Depending on the area, we have to use the proper we have to selecting the proper insulating material for the insulation purpose. In case of gas insulated power transformer, use a sheet aluminum conductor for winding and a polymer film for turn to turn insulation and self contained annular cooling ducts containing circulating cooling gas to cool the winding, and compressed SF6 gas which insulate all the major gaps. This is related to the gas insulated power transformer. Then next one is very important, that transformer oil, it will be provides the required dielectric strength and insulation, as well as it will be used for the cooling purpose in the transformer. Then it should be the transformer oil, it should be in the liquid state over the complete operating range of the temperature between 40 degree Celsius to the 50 degree Celsius. The oil gets oxidized when exposed to oxygen at higher temperature, and formation of peroxide, water, organic acids, sludges, which causes the chemical deterioration of the paper insulation and the metal parts of the transformer. The sludge being heavy reduces the heat transfer capabilities of the oil and also forms an heat insulating layer on the transformer and the coil structure and the core and the tank walls. The sludge will be affecting on the various parts of the transformer. In order to reduce the effect of oxidations are minimized by designing them such that assesses the oxygen itself is limited, and this is done by the use of sealed transformer, and the second one by filling the air space with the nitrogen gas. Then third one, providing the oxygen absorber like activated clay or alumina. Next one is the dry type transformer. The insulation of dry type transformer is now using prepares that is composite fibers, where a material such as epoxy is already present, manufactured using the following bakelite material, that is glass fiber, Nomex, aramide papers, etc. These are used for the insulation purpose. Then the good dielectric strength of the coil and easy production methods and could eliminate the expensive vacuum impregnation of low voltage coil. The use of pre-purchase, the advantage of this material is having good dielectric strength of the coil, and easier production. We have already discussed. The prepages are mainly manufactured using the following uh, baking materials, that is already we have to discuss, that is glass fibers, Nomex and aramide papers, and multi-layer made up of non-woven polyester, and polyester films. Sturmites resins, epoxy resins are used for the as a resin system. It is important that the prepages are free from any crack. Prepages are have excellent adhesive capability, good aging as well as good storage property. So, it will be used in the dry transformer. Now, we have to discuss related to the application of insulating material used in the rotating machines. In the low voltage machine, that is up to 6,600 volt, that is class E or class F insulations are used. Then for high voltage machines, that is 6,600 volt and up above, class F type of insulations are used. Then machine above 22 kV, the ratings are not built except under special conditions. The insulations that have been used for machines are mica. Mica are easily available and very thin splitting. The selection of right material depending on the power rating and the condition under it will be operating or where to use. According to that, we have to use the insulating material for the rotating machines. Here, in the table, we have to shows the insulating material for a rotating machine. Then the components are between the turn to turn ratio, that is class E, class B, class F, class B and class F again we have to use. Then coil to coil and inside the phase, and different types of insulating materials are used, we have to shown in the table. Then phase to earth insulation, what are the different materials are used, we have to shown here for the low voltage machine and high voltage machines. What are the different materials are used, we have to shown in the table. Then slot closure, we have to shown the materials. Then insulation for leads, then varnish for impregnation treatment used for the low voltage machine and high voltage machine. We have to shown the what are the different types of material are used for the insulation purpose, we have to shown in the table. Third one, use of insulations or insulating material in the circuit breaker. Then a circuit breaker, which is a switch which automatically opens the circuit when a critical current or voltage rating is exits. AC currents are considerably easier to interrupt than the DC current. A AC current interruption sequence, first one, that is arc for part of the metallic circuit. Then second, it deionizes when the current goes through the 0, so that arc will not forms again. Now, for the low voltage breakers, we have to use the synthetic resin molding to carry the metallic parts. Then for the high temperature ceramic parts are used for that purpose. If the arc is likely to come into contact with the molded part, melamine or some special kind of alkyd resins are used because of their greater arc resistance property. These are the different types of material are used for the low voltage breakers. Then the high voltage breaker, many insulating fluids are suitable for arc extension, and the choice will be depending on the rating and types of the circuit breaker. The commonly used insulating fluids for the breakers are atmospheric air, compressed air, high vacuum, SF6 gas, Oil as a liquid or insulating media is used in the oil circuit breakers. Ascarols produces a large quantity of toxic or corrosive products. These are the different insulating materials are used for the high voltage breakers. In the table we have to show the insulation in high voltage switch gas. Here epoxy resin used for low pressure casting for bushing, switch gears, bus bars, instrument transformers. Then epoxy resin bonded glass fiber for component such as arc control device and circuit breakers. Here we have to use. Then polyester resin insulating levers for circuit breakers, phase barrier plate in switchboards, porcelain for insulators and bushing for power transformer, synthetic resin bonded that is paper that is for bushing and arc chamber etc. Then nylon for injection molding for arc control device in circuit breaker, silicone rubber filling for molded joint boxes in SF6 insulated circuit breakers. Thank you friend. These are the different types of insulating material are used for power transformer, rotating machines and different types of switch gears. Thank you.